This is the 2,4-DNP test for aldehyde or ketone on a solid sample. 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine is a test for aldehydes and ketones. A positive test should show up a bright yellow or orange precipitate if the test is positive. A negative test will not show up that precipitate. You see the 2,4-DNP test solution is orange color. So just the orange color does not indicate a positive test. We're looking for a precipitate. Since we're testing solids, we need to make sure that there's no precipitate there when we start. And so first order of business will be to add about 30 milligrams of the solid to the test tube. I have my demonstration amount there of 50 milligrams, and so we don't need to weigh the 30 milligrams, but just kind of estimate somewhat less than that 50 milligrams. So my known positive is 4-methoxyacetophenone. I'll add that to the positive test tube. That's 4-methoxyacetophenone. My unknown is unknown number 7. So about 30 milligrams of unknown number 7 in the unknown test tube. And about 30 milliliters of benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is my known negative. It does not react with the dinitrophenylhydrazine test reagent to give the precipitate. So I'll take about 30 milligrams of the benzoic acid, put it into the test tube. There. So, like that. The next order of business will be to dissolve the substances in the test tubes in about a half milliliter of ethanol. So this is important to dissolve the substances so that we don't have any solid to begin with before we're doing the test, because we're looking for a precipitate as the positive test. So I'm dissolving these each in about a half milliliter of ethanol. That's ethyl alcohol. And I want to make sure that the substances are completely dissolved with no solid before we add the DNP test reagent. So these substances are all pretty soluble in ethanol. I believe they're already dissolved. Yep, they're already dissolved. Okay. So those substances are dissolved now in ethanol. All right, and then the next order of business for the test, the next thing we need to do for the 2,4-DNP test is to add about 20 drops of the 2,4-DNP test solution. This solution is the 2,4-DNP test solution. So I'll add that solution to each test tube. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. There. And so we're looking for the formation of a bright orange or yellow precipitate. The known positive is 4-methoxyacetophenone, and that definitely formed a large amount of bright orange precipitate. The unknown also formed a large amount of red precipitate, and the known negative, the benzoic acid, has an orange solution, but it does not have a precipitate. So this is what a negative test looks like. It's simply the orange color of the 2,4-DNP test solution, but you don't see a precipitate. So it looks like unknown, our unknown that we're testing, unknown number 7, is an aldehyde or a ketone. To tell whether it's a ketone versus an aldehyde, you would need to do another test. One test for aldehydes that's useful is the silver mirror test, which I'll show you in a separate video.